I don't know if you guys see my trunk right now. It's pretty dang dirty, messy. Things are everywhere. And when I drive, every sound that you can think of comes from my trunk because of this mess. So I'm gonna show you how to just organize it a little bit with some cheap Dollar Tree products. My favorite store. So basically, all you're gonna need is some closet essentials, some collapsible storage containers. I like this one because it has a lid on it. And then I got an extra, just an open one, and then some Velcro. All of this for like, with tax, what, $4? All right, so let's get to it. Basically pulling everything out of the trunk right now. Making a little pile. So, I got my trunk cleared. So essentially, I'm just gonna cut some strips off of these, apply it on the back side right here, and then just slap it on the back towards the seat. And let's go. All right, so just like that, 2 strips on each side. We're just gonna mount this where we want it. For me, I'm just gonna put it way in the back. On there. Yeah, see, so this will slide out. All right, let's get to it. There you guys have it. Simple little DIY. Cheap. Oh look, I have more microfiber cloth there. And then this is your extra compartment that you can store stuff. So I'm gonna organize this a bit too. And there you guys have it. See, everything's in there. That storage spot that I just created. And I definitely need to vacuum my trunk. All right. As always, guys, thank you for sticking around, watching my channel, and I hope you found this useful. I mean, anyone could have done this really, but some people just overlook these little things, you know. Well, anyways, hope you guys liked it. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Hopefully a bit more entertaining and more car related. All right. Oh dang, the wind coming out of nowhere. All right, see you guys. Peace. Thank you.